In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your LinkedIn account in 2025. Whether you're trying to build more trust on your profile or you simply want to unlock LinkedIn's verification features for better visibility, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn app and log into the account you want to verify. Once you're there, look for your profile icon at the very top left of the screen. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Tap on the profile icon, and from the panel that appears on the left, tap on the settings option at the bottom. Next, you'll be taken to the settings page. Over here, look for the section labeled Account Preferences and tap on it. You'll see several options that help you manage your profile, and right at the top, you'll notice a link that says Get Verified. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're using your real legal name on your profile. Ensure your government ID is NFC enabled if required, and double-check that the name on your ID matches your LinkedIn profile exactly. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, tap on the option that says Verify with Persona. After that, you should be able to follow the built-in instructions to scan or tap your government ID, depending on your device. LinkedIn may display the issuing country or name from your ID on your profile, so make sure you're comfortable with that before moving forward. It's also a good idea to have good lighting and a stable internet connection. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your information safe. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to verify your LinkedIn account easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?